Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. This evening we're back in the kitchen and we're going to be making some Marry Me chicken. Now, I don't know who came up with that name, but it kind of makes sense. I had it once before and it was delicious and it went viral on TikTok and even Instagram, so you might have heard of it. But we're making it today. This recipe is the perfect cheat meal, and I'm personally not tracking my calories or anything, so I don't necessarily have cheat meals, but that's a universal term for it. The dish itself is pretty healthy though. It just has a little bit of extra fat, but we're still gonna be getting a lot of protein. So the ingredients you'll be needing are flour, chicken stock or chicken broth, heavy cream, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, basil, thyme, garlic, shallot or onion, sun-dried tomatoes, butter, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and last but not least, chicken. So the recipe is just for the chicken, and you can choose what carb you would want to eat with it, whether that's pasta or potatoes. But today I'm gonna do pasta. Linguine. I got roasted in my last video for using this plastic cutting board, and let me just say, I get it. I'd much rather use a wooden one, but it's all I have here. So we're eating microplastics tonight. So I have my chicken breasts. I'm going to fillet them because they are very thick. I think they also say like butterfly the chicken because it's like 2 butterfly wings. Just washing the salmonella off my hands. And we're going to get some flour. So I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in the flour as well. And don't worry, this is not all the flavor that's going into this dish, I promise. Coat each slice of chicken. Make sure we don't have any excess flour, and then transfer onto this plate. So I'm gonna put some olive oil on the pan, and this is on medium-high heat. And we'll let those cook just a couple minutes each side until they're golden brown. While that's cooking, I'm gonna dice up our garlic and shallot. And I think the chicken's ready to flip. It's looking crispy. Oh, my eyes. I need some goggles. Now our plain chicken is cooked, and we'll set it aside to join in with our sauce later. It low-key smells good though. Just cooked chicken. I just love chicken. We got our chopped garlic and shallot. We're gonna use this in a second, but first I'm gonna start boiling the water for our pasta. I'm also gonna prepare the thyme, which is fresh. Although it's not necessary, it does smell amazing. Dried thyme works just as well. I don't have a measurement for this thyme. I'm just using I'm measuring with my heart. Then I'm picking our fresh basil. In my opinion, this is the key. Some of these guys are wilted, but it's fine. They still smell good. It's getting close to boiled. I have it on good authority to generously salt your pasta water, which I have not done before, so let's see. I'm just gonna throw in the rest of this pasta. That's a lot. And also get the fan going because it's about to get real steamy in here. So I'm gonna leave that for a few minutes until it's cooked, and then get started on the delicious, creamy, cheesy sauce. We're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of our chicken broth, low sodium preferably. So this is half a cup, 1/4. And then equal parts of our heavy cream or whipping cream. Did you know that if you shake heavy whipping cream for long enough, it turns into butter? I learned that in school one day, and I became obsessed with making homemade butter for no reason. It's very tedious and tiring, but it works. Just ask any Amish person. Maybe we'll make homemade butter in our next episode. So there we go. One of those. And that's about all the measuring we'll be doing tonight. So I'm going to prepare the rest of this dish in our skillet here. So first things first, get that to medium-high heat. And get some butter in there. Butter in the skillet. Ooh. Get these guys in there, our garlic and shallot, until it's fragrant. Just a couple minutes. See how this pasta's doing. Not cooked. Pour in the juices. We got our Parmesan petals. You can use shaved Parmesan, but something special about the petals. And sun-dried tomatoes. I really enjoy sun-dried tomatoes, so I'm gonna get them out. Oh, that's a big one. Parmesan to your heart's content. I'll save a little bit. And then we can put the chicken back in. Crushed red pepper. And then I'm gonna lower the heat down to a simmer and add in fresh thyme. Our basil, and then salt and pepper. Check on our noodles again. It should be done. Yes. So I'm gonna strain the pasta real quick. Now I'm gonna take the chicken out of the sauce. The noodles in there. Or pasta, I called it noodles. Secret ingredient. Just a dash of oil from the sun-dried tomato. Now we saved our extra cheese for this moment. So get some of that on there. Chicken goes back in. Top it off the final bit of crushed red pepper. Thyme on top. Voila! It's time to roll up the sleeves and taste our creation. As you can tell, it's a rather simple recipe, but the result is delicious. So thank you guys for watching and tuning into another episode of Chef Keiani. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to lift, laugh, and love. Bye!